Why are there not more people talking about the latest tourism stats for Albania, Montenegro, and Croatia in 2024? Here's a quick look at the latest tourism stats for these gems of the Adriatic. Albania is experiencing a surge, with a 35% increase in organized tourism driven by affordability and rising demand. The country is becoming a hotspot for budget-conscious European travelers. Albania is a treasure trove of rugged landscapes. Picture the Albanian Alps towering above you and the pristine beaches of the Albanian Riviera stretching out before you. Hidden gems like Ksamil and Gjirokastër offer raw, untouched beauty that's hard to find elsewhere. Next, Montenegro. This tiny country packs a punch with its dramatic mountains and the serene waters of the Bay of Kotor. Imagine wandering through picturesque towns like Parast and Budva's Old Town, where history and nature blend seamlessly. Montenegro is also seeing growth, with record numbers of visitors this summer. Coastal spots like Kotor and Budva remain very popular, appealing to mid-range travelers. And then there's Croatia. The breathtaking Adriatic coast is just the beginning. The famous walled city of Dubrovnik, serene islands like Hvar, and the stunning Plitvice Lakes National Park, it's a visual feast. Croatia is still a top tourist destination, with millions flocking to iconic sites like Dubrovnik. However, prices are high and some visitors have expressed concerns about over-tourism. All three countries boast stunning scenery, but Croatia might have the edge with its mix of natural and architectural beauty thanks to its UNESCO World Heritage sites. Now let's talk cost. Albania is known for being the most budget-friendly. You can find affordable accommodations, meals, and activities that won't break the bank. Perfect for those looking to stretch their travel dollars. Montenegro sits in the mid-range. You'll find some luxurious spots like Sveti Stefan, but overall, it's still more affordable than Croatia. Speaking of Croatia, it tends to be the priciest, especially in tourist hotspots like Dubrovnik. The country's popularity has driven prices higher, especially during peak season. So, if you're looking to save money, Albania wins hands down for cost-effectiveness. Lastly, accessibility. Albania's infrastructure is developing, but public transport can be limited. Renting a car is relatively cheap, making it easier to explore if you're comfortable driving. Montenegro's smaller size makes it easy to get around. Bus routes connect major towns and taxis are widely available. It's also becoming more accessible by flights. Croatia, on the other hand, has well-developed infrastructure. Extensive bus and ferry networks, plus flights connecting major cities, make it the most accessible for tourists, particularly those coming from other parts of Europe. In terms of ease of travel, Croatia stands out with plenty of travel options. So here's the wrap-up. Each country has its own charm. Albania for budget travelers and raw beauty, Montenegro for compact charm and mid-range budget, and Croatia for accessibility and stunning landscapes. But in terms of overall travel ease and visual impact, Croatia might just take the crown. Let me know which country you'd pick, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel insights. Hit that subscribe button and join us for more travel adventures.